Hi everyone, this is a real world test of the brand new MacBook Neo. I got the cheaper one, the one without the lock case. So we're checking out the built-in 1080p FaceTime HD camera and the dual mic array. I'm recording this at maximum quality in QuickTime to see what this A18 Pro chip can do for video. Okay, so notice the image and the videos. The light is coming from that way. There's the sun over there, and there is a road next to me. So you can hear the voice audio because this is also using the audio of the mic. So the i18 Pro, it's handling the colors and exposure similarly to an iPhone. I would say, like my wife, she's got an iPhone, and there's a road as I just said, like it's slightly noisy, but it's a Sunday today, and not many cars are passing through. But that being said, let's listen to the audio. I'm using the built-in dual microphones with directional beam forming, and I'm going to type something too. I don't know if you're hearing this, and I'll have to check it later too. So I would say, like, to me, I feel like the video quality is quite good, very good. I would say, like, I'm quite surprised, and I'm also going to pull the curtain to see, like, if it's gonna help, is how it looks like during the low light. Okay, I mean it's outside, it's sunny, but still it looks quite good, right? So I'm really happy with the camera on the webcam of the Mac Neo. If you do, like the video and subscribe. Thanks a lot.